Woodpecker's next offer from the OneTIME Tool Collector's Vault is one of our customers' all-time favorites. Made in a completely different way. The Woodpeckers Mini Square, now available through the Collector's Vault in stainless steel. The original Mini Square has been a hit since its original release. But thousands of customers have asked for one in stainless steel instead of anodized aluminum. So here's your chance. As part of the OneTIME Tool Collector's Vault program, we'll take orders for the stainless steel Mini Square through July 28, 2025. Once ordering is complete, we'll make the squares and ship them out. These handy squares are perfect shop companions for quick checks on smaller parts. They were first designed with tool sharpening in mind. They're just right for checking edges to make sure they're square. But customers told us they were also using them all over the shop, like checking the edges of boards from their jointer, and setting up tricky machines like scroll saws, and checking small assemblies where bigger squares just won't fit. The inside corner measures 1 1/8 by 2 inches, just right to keep in your shop apron or jeans pocket whenever you're in the shop. Like all Woodpecker squares, the stainless steel Mini Squares are made to a tolerance of 0.0085 degrees and guaranteed to stay there. Each Collector's Vault square will have its manufacturing date machine engraved on the face of the square. And it comes complete with a form-fitting case you can mount on the wall or fit into your toolbox or workbench drawer. Don't forget, Collector's Vault tools are only built to order. Place your order before July 28, 2025 to ensure you're in line for one of these very special stainless steel Mini Squares.